Ash here, let's roll. So I got a second Life Orbs of Heavens done and opened because it's so we're in the process of doing a cleanup of that. I have 2 level 8s, but I think that's as far as we're going to get there. But let's go. So I'm going to try to use some of the healing power from this to see if I can open up, even though I know it won't open any space. And then I will also hit back up on the reward items. So I've got 2 level 4s of the harvestable, and then 2 level 3s of the harvestable. The thing though is the other level 2 harvestable is right there. A little bit trickier to get to, be for real. Then we come down here. I uncovered these 2 right here. And I uncovered this. And I made this one right here. The challenge is real though when you're trying to do all of this. How many points are these level 8? Okay. Well, we will get 10,000 points. Unless I can make a few more smaller items that are worth. Unless I can make some level 5s and level 6s. Oopsie, we can do this. So I can bring it on down. Open up those 2 right there. Maybe a little bit of something will happen. We can get a few rewards. So I've also been working the bingo a little bit, so I do want to go and try to get that because I want to try and get some of those things. Get that. So I'm going to go ahead and claim one of these now with 12 minutes left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 items from that one. Okay. Now I want to do something. Now, I'm going to put in this stuff out of the way now. No, no. Get this out of the way now. Because I wanted to do that really quick. Then these go there. Because that's part of those. But I do need to get back into cleaning, to doing some stuff with the rewards, don't I? I got the rest of these to clean, don't I? And I know that other level 8 ain't going to do it. It'll give us maybe one. It will just give us one reward. So I'm gonna have to work some magic. First, let's go ahead and claim this guy. These guys are so distracted. I have to literally keep them down on here. I don't need them harvesting those things up there right now anymore. I need them to focus here. The challenge is getting them to focus down here. And with 90 minutes left. Oh boy. Come here, you stupid dragon. Thank you, Festive Dragon. Yeah, it was beautiful. Eight minutes. Let's go. Of course, the dragons are busy. I know. Do it that way. There we go. Push that up there. Seven minutes still? Nice. Okay. Jump scare when I look at the time and think it's almost ready to end. Alright, let's do this. 6 minutes. Think we can pull it off. And technically, and because of the midweek, because of New Year's Eve being the midweek event, more than likely, just like Christmas was just like Christmas tree was the midweek one. I have a feeling the midweek event would be the one for New Year's Eve. Logically makes sense instead of the weekend. Because it has been so changed, the schedule this time. The time changed, the different ways on the holidays, whereas before You know, we knew on the weekend, like, the midweek was different than the weekend event, especially during the holidays. Because the weekend event was always the holidays. Well, now it has changed. We just had to kind of have to accept it and roll with the punches, right? So, and I do have the other video I did for the Christmas event. So I only did 2 videos of that. I still have to get that one up for you guys. The one where I collected the rewards for the midweek for the oak Christmas tree. I have that for you guys to prepare, and then I'm going to be working on learning how to do computer edits on videos, because computer video game videos are longer and they will need some editing. That's why I've not introduced the computer games yet. It's because I don't have an editor or anything like that. It's just me and my phone. That's how it has always been. Mobile editing I can do on my own, but computer editing it might be a little more complicated. And we're down to 3 minutes. Could I get a little more points? Let's see. I know they keep going up here. No, they keep coming up here to do this. I'll tap this really quick up here and see what happens. Dang. Okay. Let's do this. Check that. That's awesome. Oh, it's pretty awesome moving there. Well, let's get back down here where we belong for this last a minute as I try to work up a few more points. Attempt to rack up a few more points, of course. Okay. And I guess as far as we're going to get is with that, I guess. Average. I knew 2 level 8s would not be enough. So I need 600 points to get that. There's no way that we're going to get 600 points. Just no way. It just ain't going to happen. It was a good shot, though. So 7 out of 10 rewards, 6 out of 7, 6 out of 10 stars. Not bad. Be for real, that's actually pretty good. gonna collect on these guys until it closes up. Can I get this? Can I get the screenshot super fast? Got it. Beautiful. With 6 seconds left, I got it. That was gorgeous. And there's the event ending, right as my alarm goes off. That was insane work. I must say, go home. Open. Oh, geez, load up. Burn cinnamon. Yeah, I know that was a draw, because I didn't really take part on that. I tried, but I didn't really take part. Thank you, I'll take that free. Of course, I want to take advantage of these. Great way to clear up some space. No. I wish. No. No, that's not what I was looking for. Thank you. I'm going to sell that, because I don't need that star. And I don't need that. Nice. Maybe? No? Okay, no, nothing there I need. I want to put this guy up here on purpose. Is it? What? Escapes our sandbags? That is awesome. Gave us 4 Santa eggs. Beautiful one. I don't know why I'm selling those when I need to work that stupid those out. Let's sell that one. I guess we'll also have to sell that one out. Don't you hate that when you gotta do that. And it's the shiny. Ooh. This is the I guess this is the midweek event. They really tripped us up. Nice. Different midweek event. They got me all twisted on that one. Okay. Cool beans. I'm glad that it worked out that way, I guess. I'm going to do that as a 5 merge. Because that would be another 5 merge. There. Which is beautiful work, I will say. No, I don't want to do tower. No tower. Yeah, I could have, now that I see that, I could have merged it, but that's okay. It happens. Alright. No jade that. But we got this big guy right here, so this could be, and could be kind of in our favor. We'll see. Yeah, this is going to be in our favor here. Possibly. But we're not done yet with it, so we'll see. There's a 5 merge. Beautiful. Put that there. Oh, that's a 4 merge, not. Oh, it's a 5 merge. Let's go. Nice. The merging through. Okay. Shark dragon egg, right? Okay. Now, this insanity merge here. Finally, I can actually do some merges I've been wanting to do. Saving, been really, really wanting to do. Not with this one. The Santa dragon. I can finally do something, start the process of doing something I wanted to do. Been hoping to do for a while. Question is, will it happen? I don't know. Yes, it will happen. I can finally do it. Finally. Oh, no, never mind. Not time. I can't do it yet. I gotta wait. One more. I gotta wait until next year to do it again. Oh, that's a bummer. I was just one away. Gotta wait another year. Same with the Nutcracker. Merge 5. Merge 3. Clear out some space that way. Awesome. Another merge 3. Let's go. Merge 4. We'll take that. The Crimson Dragon, of course. And we're knocking out quite a few on that other one, too. The Green Egg. The Green Dragon. Green Egg. Green Dragon. I spotted a 3 merge there. Let's go. And we will still be left with 6. Let's see how far we did. There we go. Not bad. The middle one is always. Thank you for the Dream Dragon. The Dreamer. Middle again. A Dreamer Nest. Let's go. Pop. 1, 2, just 4. Okay. With an 8 now? Wait, what? Wait, what? Oh, first here. Easy 3 merge. Let's go. 3 merge there. A 3 merge. That was it. That's a bummer. But let me see something. Nope. Can't store those away. Okay, let's see. Anywhere else I can store these guys temporarily? Always good to check. No. Alright, I'm gonna open this guy though. One final. Sell that. Sell that. Sell that because I don't need it. Sell that. I do have a merge for this. Sell this. Yes. Now a chance for a merge set, I hope. Oh crap, just 8. Just 4. It's better than nothing. Desert Dragon. Let's go. We'll clear out some space, hopefully, in my storage. Boom, boom. What's next? The Fringe Dragon. Let's go. Just like that, I created a little bit of space. Still at 7. Let's go. No? Really? Really? Fine. Sure. Fringe Dragon again. Let's go. So that was maybe a bad idea. I don't know yet. Let's see. Wait, this guy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. I'm gonna do a 3 merge and then another 3 merge. On purpose. And boom. Space cleared for that. Alright, so is this. I think that's it. Yep, because we're not getting any further on that. But we almost got to it. Not bad. So, clean. So, oh, are you coming out? Okay.
My chest got spring locked.
Okay.
So it was like, wow, now I don't have any chance of sleeping.
Okay.
Of going back to sleep. So now I thought, yes.
All right. And coffee is made. Your brother's already brewed coffee, and I can wrap up this video for YouTube.
I'm only up because of and then I feel like and then it's like, okay, I guess I'll try to go back to sleep.
Okay.
Then it feels like my chest got spring locked.
Okay. Okay. Gotcha. But this is chaotic. Now I have all these, and I don't have any space to put them, so maybe it wasn't a good thing. But with that, take care, guys. Have a great week. Stay safe. Especially on New Year's Eve, stay safe and peace out.